Hello and welcome to the Phonics Channel with me, Mr. Tom, and this is the home of phonics where we help adult learners with their speaking, with their pronunciation and with their communication skills. Okay, so let's jump into today's lesson with which is the third part of the long U or U vowel sound. Okay. So in this lesson, we've got a single letter sound, and usually, as we know, it makes the sound. But in today's lesson, it can make two different sounds. It can make U or U. In the first section, we're going to look at words where it has the U sound, okay? U, U, U. Okay, so let's put this single letter U sound into some words. The first word is ruby. R-U-B-E. Ruby. The ruby is red. Could be a sentence. Ruby. R-U-B-E. Ruby. R-U-B-E. Ruby. Okay, I have a ruby. R-U-B-E. Ruby, and we have the Y letter shape making the E sound at the end there, as it sometimes does. Okay, going on to our next word with the U sound, okay, which is truth. Truth. T-R-U-F. Truth. Tr-U-F. Truth. We've got the adjacent consonants T and R together, making a tr sound. Tr-U-F. Truth. Can you tell me the truth, please? I don't want a lie, I want the truth. Tr-U-F. Truth. Has 5 letters and 4 sounds. T-R-U-F. 4 sounds there. Okay, and finally for the singular letter U sound is student. Student. S, T, U, D, E, N, T. Student. St, U, D, E, N, T. Student. If you're watching this, then you are a student of the Phonics Channel. Okay, and we're happy to have you. Student, we have 2 adjacent consonants here. When I blend them together quickly, st, u, d, e, n, t, nt, as well. 2 more adjacent consonants at the end to make the nt sound. Student. Okay, so let's say them all again together. Make sure you are saying it along with me at home to practice. U, U, U. Ruby. R-U-B-E. Ruby. Truth. Tr-U-F. Truth. And student. St-U-D-E-N-T. Student. Okay, so in the second part, we will be looking at the same single letter sound, making the U sound. Okay, see you there. Okay, so we know that this sound can make the sound and it can make the U sound, but it can also make the U sound in some words. Okay, so the single letter sound can be U as well. U, U, U. Let's put this single letter sound into some words then. And the first word is unit. Unit. U-N-I-T. Unit. U-N-I-T. Unit. Okay, there is a cabinet unit in the kitchen, you could say. U-N-I-T. Unit. 4 letters, 4 sounds. Okay, next word we have with the U sound is unicorn. Unicorn. U-N-I-C-O-R-N. Unicorn. U-N-I-C-O-R-N. Unicorn. U-N-I-C-O-R-N. Unicorn. The unicorn is a mythical creature, okay? It has a spike on its head. Unicorn. It has how many letters? 7 letters. How many sounds? U, N, ik, R, N. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 sounds and 7 letters. Okay, and the final U word is music. M, U, S, ik. Music. M, U, S, ik. Music. M, U, S, ik. Music. I am listening to music, my favourite type of music, which is kind of indie rock or old-fashioned rock music, like Bob Dylan. Music. Music. Okay, 5 letters, 5 sounds. Okay, super. So let's go through them all again. Make sure you're saying it at home with me to practice. U, unit, unit, unit. Okay, unit, unit. Unicorn, unicorn, unicorn. Music, music. Okay? Thank you very much for joining me today on the Phonics channel, and I hope to see you next time. Goodbye. Thank you very much for watching the Phonics channel today. Please leave a like on the video, and also please subscribe to the channel so you can see future Phonics videos. Also, feel free to share it with your friends so they can improve their phonics as well, and feel free to leave a comment on the video as well. Also, check out the links in the description of the video as well. Have a great day.